The Milton project at Magdalen Catholic High is actually a learning and teaching project that we've tried to put together. It stands for Magdalen Independent Learning and Teaching Assessment. The process started when a number of teachers got together trying to figure out how we could get kids to develop independent learning in a way that would promote learning as a lifelong thing. The idea is to get the kids starting off with an understanding of what learning is, and so we looked at different learning styles. We had a look at ways that they can research and present topics, and we then, about halfway through the year, moved them into a minor project where they went away and researched it themselves. And towards the end of the year, we've now given them a fertile question that they can go away and present in any way that they wish. They will have some peer marking.
It's not just the computers, but it's books, and we learn how to think, and we're very independent.